It's Louis the Weatherman. Wepa! Guys, I'm here to bring you the most accurate weather forecast all summer long. Mi gente! It's August 5th today. What a beautiful day, because today is National Underwear Day. Guys, it's neither here or there, because you know what? I'm saying my underwear because that is fucking humid as fuck. That's right, today it's 77 degrees. It's raining all day, but the humidity is up, baby, and it's fucking hot. And tonight it's supposed to be about 67 degrees. Again, all day long it's supposed to be raining, and humidity is about 80%, 85%. So it's feeling sticky, and boy, woo, I'm feeling hot. And I also gotta look good in this fucking sexy underwear. But if you want this handsome stud to come to your place and take care of your air conditioning, make sure your husband is not home, and you call Louis the Weatherman at 516-377-5200. New York Water. Wepa.